we making today?
We're doing a cheese pie. Yeah, we're starting with a classic. La Classico. They call it Napolitan pizza. All right. There we go. Yeah, this is good. All right, a little sauce. Okay. Cheese, olive oil, very important, use olive oil. Stretch it a little bigger. Now we're gonna go cheese. Alright, so forget about it. Right over there. That's one.
What are we making now?
We're doing a Stromboli. Oh yeah. So Stromboli, we use pepperoni sausage. We do a little peppers, a little something. Olive oil. That's it. Okay, start with Parmesan cheese. Okay, olive oil. That's it, baby. And cheese. Lots of cheese. We're not cheap over here. Okay, corner to corner. A pepperoni. That's it. Oh yeah. Delicioso pepperoni. Hit them with the sauce, couple pieces left. Sausage. Nice sausage. Alright. Look, all the sausage that goes in here. We're gonna hit it with some bacon. Okay. Okay. This is the good part. Garlic and oil. Alright, a little more Parmesan cheese, a little more cheese, the sausage in here. Okay, now I'm going to wrap it. Not bad, pretty good. All goody. Okay. Close it. Okay. Get a knife. Wash it. All right. Go in. Come over here. Go a little stretch. Ah, yeah, that's it. Beautiful Stromboli. Ma bella. You know what we're gonna do? You know what we're gonna do? Stuffed pizza. Let's do a stuffed pizza. Yeah. Let's do a stuffed pizza. Alright. We're gonna do meat and vegetables. This is stuffed pizza. Probably seen this before. A lot of places do it. Cheese. Yeah, we do everything over here. We do everything. You see something, we make it, no problem. It's not a problem. Not a problemos. And a beef sausage. This one's gonna be vodka stuffed pizza. Little vodka sauce. Okay. We're gonna add some pesto. Okay. We're gonna add more cheese. This dough's gonna on top of that dough. Oh yeah. Alright. Go on top of the dough. We lay it like this. We come over here. We stitch it. We call it stitching. See? Oh yeah. Now we take a tray, use a tray in the corners, make a nice corners. Okay, the tray right here, shake it up a little bit like that, go like this.
¿Tenemos caramela wings?
Let's go in. Bye. So, got you. Nice and crispy. The way it's supposed to be, as a Stromboli. 12-inch classic. We got a 12-inch. We got a small one now. Perfecto. I'm making a small one. So this is the 12-inch classic we have. Forget about it. All right, so we got a 12-inch. This is personal pies. Very thin. Let's try. Okay. Olive oil. Sit. mozzarella, pizza. Alright, ready for the oven. The calzone. This piece. So, calzone, yeah. That's the calzone. There's a stromboli.
Yeah.
A stromboli. That's it. Forget about it.
My teacher.
This guy. Olive oil just makes it nice and soft. The crispy dough. Yeah. Finished product. Try this pizza. Nice bottom. Nice, and this is the way supposed to pizza to be cooked. That's it. Let me cut this so you see. That's it. Forget about it. Just forget about it. So this, it gets one more process. It's gonna get egg yolked. You're gonna put some egg in it. And it's gonna be amazing. I guess that. Can't wait to see what it's done. So good.
You want to take the volcano and the pasta?
Yes.
Yeah, para
Oh, sí, son las que hicimos.